uncle was a college student. He used to stay in a hostel. One night while he was studying late at night in his room. All alone he heard a sound which is more like a child crying. That night he was all alone in the hostel because there was some festival going and all his mates went there. My uncle carefully listened to the sound. Each appeared to be coming from the next room. Each appeared to be coming from the next room. So he went there and checked the next room. But he saw nothing. But the voice continued to haunt him. He said that he searched the whole hostel that night. He didn't see anything. But the voice was to be heard and seemed to follow him. Him wherever he went, he could sleep much that night because he was a little scared. The next morning, he received a telephone call from home. And was told that his younger sister had died. That night because of an accident. Thiếu tục